How to find hotels on Marriott and filter by price, amenities, and brand. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, we are going to show you step by step in order to filter out and find hotels on Marriott. So let's get started. We can start by going to your browser or using the Marriott application as well. Head over to Marriott.com first, and this is the following interface we'll be finding inside Marriott. Now, what we can do is we can use it to enter location, dates, and numbers of guests. So we can directly find this option called destination and dates. So we can just go over and tap on that option and choose up a destination first. We can tap on it and let's pick up a destination. And once we have picked up that, we can just go over and type in where next and select up our dates and tap on done. After that, just go over and tap on the option called find hotels and it should start showing us the results. Now, once we have entered up the location and everything, if we want to filter it out, what we can do is basically look out for the filtered option directly on the screen. So in the top right below the destination page, we can find an option called all filters. We can tap on it, and when we tap on that option here, we'll be finding option. So we have availability. So if you want to see available properties only, you can turn on this toggle option. Similarly, we have price. It will show rates with taxes and all the fees. You can turn that option as well and filter it out. And apart from that, if you want to see the price in other currencies such as USD, AUD, etc., you can check it out. Similarly, we have this option called amenities. So if you want to filter the price by amenities, here we have this option. So if you want to filter it out, we have different options. So for example, if you want fitness center in your hotel or business center, EV charging, etc., you can turn on that option, filter it out. After that, basically go ahead and tap on apply and apply the changes, and it will show you the result accordingly. You can just go over and filter it out. And similarly, if you want to look out for brands, we even have brands option. When you scroll a bit, we can find brands option and we can select the brand. For example, Bulgari, you can select that hotel and tap on apply. After that, you will be finding the result that you're looking for. You can just go over and adjust it like this. You can just go over and check it out, adjust the price, select specific brands, choose specific features like pool, fitness center, etc., and sort it out and view it up that way. And you can see the results available here, and I can just go and check it out. You can even look out for it in the map. But this is how you should be able to find the hotels on Marriott and filter it by price and amenities and brands. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.